Hey beauties, and welcome back to my channel. So today's unit comes from Eayon hair. This is a headband wig, so let's go ahead and open it up and see what she came with, if I can open it. Ooh, I like these. So we have two headbands here. This is a really pretty rust color, and then like a cheetah leopard one. Comes with a wig cap. And of course, here's the unit here. It's an average cap size. It's 22 inches long and it is straight. So this is the color of the unit here. It's kind of like a honey blonde color. It starts off with a darker root and then it fades into this lighter brownish blonde. It's also a little darker in the back as well. So the brightest color is really, on the top. As far as cap construction, she has 4 combs, 2 on each side, 1 up top and 1 down bottom. And she does come with adjustable straps and the standard Velcro headband that comes with headband wigs. So now I'm gonna go ahead and try her on. I already prepped my edges, as you can see. Just did a couple of swoops. And this is a human hair unit. Not sure if I mentioned that. Just gonna brush her out. Y'all can see these colors. Really pretty how they like blend. I really like this chocolate color that's kind of like in the back underneath. It would be nice to see that chocolate color more highlighted throughout the unit as well, but it's really pretty. So this wig is 150% density, 22 inches long. Is falling there on me, and I am 5'4". So I'm just going to take my hot comb to kind of smooth out anywhere I see some bumps. So now that I have the unit nice and sleek and smooth, I'm just going to try on a few headbands with it. Starting off with the headbands that they sent over with the unit, and then I'll be adding in a few more. And I'll be back at the end with my final thoughts. It's the highlights for me, y'all. This wig just looked like a Reese's cup. that pretty much wraps up all the headbands I'll be showing you today. This unit is very soft, very sleek. The hair feels great. It's also a very natural density. So if you are a person who doesn't like to feel, you know, overwhelmed by your wigs, then this density is very natural and realistic for you. I would say that it is silky, big head friendly, although it is an average cap size. This is definitely a beginner friendly unit, very easy to just pop on and go. What makes this unit in particular so unique, I do feel, is the color combination, which is really pretty. It's different, you know, it's good for fall and this time of year. So if this is something that you would be interested in, make sure you check out that link in my description box below. Thank you so much to Eayon Hair for sending over this unit to me for review and sponsoring today's video. And make sure before you go, you leave me a like, subscribe if you have not already, and drop me a comment down below on what you think of this unit and the headbands that I paired with her. Everything will be linked below in the description box for you, so it'll be easy to find. I thank you so much for watching today's video and always supporting my channel, and I will chat with you all later.